Hey everybody, this is Robot from Vespa Motorsport and ScooterWest.com. Well, welcome to my house, or better yet, my garage. Anybody that's into vehicles, what's the most important thing other than the vehicle? The garage, where you can put the vehicles. So today, I got some gifts from ScooterWest.com. It's pretty odd because I happen to work for Scooter West and Vespa Motorsport, but there's some surprises in here and I'm gonna unbox them and see what they have to offer for me. So to be frank with you, I've never actually received an order from ScooterWest.com. Well, that's right, I work there, so I just go on the shelves and oh yeah, I need that. Oh yeah, there you go, okay, I'm good. So let's just see what they got to give me here. So I got this first package. Let me talk about it a little bit. It's a recycled package. That's all great, that's recycled, but it's a little bit beat up and not pristine. But that's fine. They're using a Piaggio box. I give it an A+ for that. So let's see what's in this box here. Contestant number 1. First of all, it's special handling, fragile. Oh, how nice of the guys at ScooterWest.com. They gave me a Vespa Motorsport sticker and a card to remind me that they're still there and in business. Okay. Looks like good fire starting paper if you have a fireplace. Oh, very, very important. You never know when you gotta need to have a handy pint glass. So here you go. MI 119, you got the Vespa Motorsport, Vespa Everywhere pint glass. Very nice. I'll keep that in my cupboard. Well, you know, sometimes you gotta start in the morning. You can't really just have a beer in the morning. You gotta have the proper mug for a proper American-sized coffee. You got mug 01. Looks like it holds about 1 liter of that dark black stuff that kind of wakes you up in the morning. Sponsored by Vespa Motorsport. MUG01. Huh, what's in here? Oh, it's our license frame. Pretty much, as I call, a shameless promotion for the shop. So you got a Vespa Motorsport plastic license frame. Maybe you're the simple, elegant chrome type of person. There's the chrome license frame. You got a Vespa Motorsport chrome and black license frame, which is the best of all worlds. Oh, you're going for the sporty look. You got carbon fiber. You got car license frames, more car license frames, and a Haynes manual. So watch out for the next video. I'll cover all these spectacular items here. A small box, and of course there's small parts inside. Oh man, I blew it. Another card, some stickers. Oh, these are very important. It's all the various valve stem caps. So watch out for the next video. I'll cover all those guys. About the easiest accessory you can install on your scooter. And check this out. I think I know the second easiest accessory to install on your scooter. License plate bolts. Whether you like the Piaggio logo, you want a Union Jack, a mod target, the Italian flag, GTS, Piaggio, or Vespa, we got you covered. So last but not least, we got the largest package here. This would be your typical Scooter West order. Hopefully you spent over $100, so you got free shipping or discounted shipping if you are going for some expedited shipping service or shipping something extra large or heavy. Oh, this is wonderful. I got the welcome pack from Scooter West here. Oh, it's terms and conditions. Okay, I'll read those later. Oh, this is exciting. Got MI121. This is your, I think it's a waterproof gear bag, if I recall. Pretty nifty little bag. And it will clip. I think you put it on your scooter, you can hang it right on the hook, put it underneath the seat. You can use a tool bag, whatever you want. So there you have it. You like us? Perfect little gift for yourself. Maybe you're ordering $89.95 worth of stuff. Just you need to add a little bit more. Just search for MI121 and you can add this to your order. Bump it over that $100 mark and get that free shipping. Oh man, I'm excited because there's one thing I've been wanting for my Vespa PX. If you saw a video from several months ago, I put the white seat on it. Well, I've been wanting a white rim. Of course, you can get all those newfangled tubeless rims, but I just like the good old split wheels that you could easily service. I don't know, I've ridden pretty far on these wheels, never had any problems. There's people in other countries that ride across whole entire continents with just a standard Vespa wheel. So we have these rims available. You can either get the original Piaggio factory wheels or high quality Italian made wheels in both white and black as well. We have them available on our website. Very exciting. So I'll be mounting some tires later today. You looking for the best inner tube you can get? Well, out of France, you got Michelin Airstop butyl replacement inner tubes, the best you can get. Don't get me wrong, the Kendas work just as well, but if you're looking for the best, this is it. And to switch up brands a little bit, normally I'm a Michelin mon. We're gonna go for the Pirelli Angel scooter tires. So I'll go ahead and mount those up on my vintage Vespa. This is pretty much the most modern, up-to-date tire. It's a long-lasting touring tire for your vintage Vespa with a modern tread pattern that dissipates water very well. And the last item in the box. I've been meaning to do an oil change on my robot scooter that I finished like 2 years ago. Don't ride it that much, but it's got a couple hundred miles and it's got a high performance cylinder kit. It's a good idea to change the oil quite frequently on something like that. And I got everything to do an oil change here. So we're rocking the Castrol Power 1 full synthetic 5W40 oil, along with an original Piaggio oil filter and O-ring. Somehow the guys at Scooter West snuck in one more package that looks a little suspicious and sneaky. I should be wary of opening it. It's even held together with blue tape. That's really fishy. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, I've been wanting a top case for a long time. Oh, that's it's not our shop. Oh, it's another, that's not our shop. Oh, but it's Pacifico. That's kind of my favorite beer. Oh, I'll take advantage of this. Well, thanks, Vespa Portland. I appreciate the gift. So look for the next videos I might publish covering these fine gifts from scooterwest.com. Until next time, this is Robot here from Vespa Motorsport. Keep on watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. I know it's a silly video. Hope you found it amusing. If not, give it a thumbs down, that's fine. Until next time, Robot here. Cheers.